SAP Ariba has come up with a solution called Digital Supplier Network, that's DSN. The solution here utilizes the capabilities of Ariba Network, and it aims to help improve collaboration as well as relationship between buyer and supplier. So if you see here, the DSN can actually act as a one-stop shop for all procurement communication between both parties, that is supplier and buyer. And it can actually make the whole procurement process fast, accurate, streamlined, and thus eventually lower in cost. So now moving forward, maybe let's discuss how DSN can achieve all these discussed objectives. So DSN introduces SAP Ariba Supplier Network to buying organizations. So buyer must have ECC, SAP ECC or SAP S4HANA as their procurement system. And DSN will integrate their ECC or S4HANA with the Ariba network capability. So it will work as a combination of both the systems here. So as a buyer, either if you already have S4HANA or ECC, or if you are planning to move to S4HANA from the ECC as your ERP, you already have the base architecture for DSN, which will add an additional layer of Ariba network capabilities for buyer collaboration, for supplier collaboration. Now you must be thinking what all Ariba network can bring to the table as an additional add-up. And so let me take you through the certain benefits of Ariba network as detailed here. So first of all, the Ariba network as a buyer organization with DSN, you will get an access to world's largest B2B platform to connect with your supplier and to perform business together. Also, it will provide an additional possible extension to international supplier base as well. To share some data points here, Ariba network actually hosts around 4.1 million companies on the network, and it also enables more than 490 million business commerce transactions per year. So you can imagine that with DSN, you can be part of this larger procurement community.